Hey, what's up you guys? So I just wanted to jump on here. I'm sorry I look like this. It's tragic, I know. But I just got my light kit in and I wanted to kind of show you what's in the box, and I'm going to try and do like a setup. There are no directions in here, so hopefully it's pretty easy. Well, let me show you. Alright, so in the box we have these two boxes, which are the lights. These two cases are the actual, like, what do you call it? The little like umbrella thing for the light. And then that box has the stands. Oh, and also this little baggie has the two screens on them, like the white cover that goes over. So I'm going to attempt to, ew, I'm so sorry for this. I'm gonna attempt to put these together right now and maybe do some sort of time-lapse thing. Let me see if I can set you up here. Oh, that's too much of an angle. Hold on. But are you gonna stay is the question. Darn it. So it's looking like you could either put it straight up and down this way, so like that, but there's also a hole here, so you can, so it depends on if you want this thing like horizontal like that, or if you want it to be vertical like that. Yo, dude, that's sick. Right. You want to make sure that the legs, so you have three of them. The one, you want to make sure it's like directly parallel to where this is sticking out, basically because it's a little bit more top heavy, obviously. Alright guys, so basically here's like literally just one light, and now you can see all my acne even more, but this looks like legit. I'm excited. I just wanted to show you guys what came in the box and assembling and the difference. So here's with the light, and without the light, just my ceiling light on. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys all of that. This light kit, which comes with two of these softbox lights, was $59 and some change on Amazon. So you guys can see like how good this is, and this is just one light. I have another one to set up. So if you're looking for some lighting, like I talked about in my previous video, this like works. This is good lighting for $59 something on Amazon. Like, that's great. All right guys, so the brand is ESDDI. If you just look that up and put ESDDI softbox lighting kit, and it's like the $59 and some change is what that one is. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video kind of showing you the lighting system. Maybe you're thinking about getting it now, so that's awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn your post notifications on, so click that little bell next to the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below if you're thinking about getting a lighting kit and if you're gonna get this one. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye!